Hi, my name is Pranshu and today I am at Kalinga University, Raipur, India. We're going to talk about the Center of Excellence that is for AI, Robotics and Drone. They have a very beautiful statement written over here that is, Code karega, India badega. Coding is the English of tomorrow. I think that's what the fact is. Everything when we talk about automobile, mechanical, banking, finance, any sector, they are moving directly towards technology. In this particular lab, they're helping students to learn about artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, and how couple of line of codes make a movement. Let's get into the room right away. So as you can see, whenever we enter into the room, we have these beautiful robots. I just fantasize the way that they look. I am by my qualification a computer science engineer, so I understand how the coding works, but I still need to learn that how we can really make the movement of these robots into a new level. If you are someone who is trying to explore the world of automation, world of mechanical and world of electronics, I think robotics is the future. Just to tell you, imagine how much time a Coke bottle takes to manufacture a million bottles. In today's world, with the help of machine learning and artificial intelligence, we are revolutionizing the way that we can see things. I'll give you a very small example. If you can see this device, it's a very cute, a yellow color miniature drone. This drone will revolutionize the way that we talk about transportation, the way we talk about logistics, the way we talk about farming, and the most important is the way that we survey our land. Countries like Germany, China, even in India, they have these drones who provide sensors to check the land and see how they can grow their crops more efficiently. Now we'll be seeing a couple of demos of this particular robots and will come up onto the screen. If you have any questions or anything to share, just please be free to share your comments below. Thank you.